Through this LCD TV repair tutorial, you can learn some important things which you may never have learned before. So, first I turn on the TV. Look carefully at the screen.
Only the backlight is visible on the screen. There are no graphics and no images.
Dear friends, I am M.A. Mustafa. Welcome you all to Ornate Pixels. Please give me a few seconds before starting the tutorial. With the support of all of you around the world, YouTube has given me this social award. The silver play button has arrived from America as you joined the 100,000 members of the Ornate Pixels family. So, this award is for all of us. Sincere love and best wishes to you. I remember and pay tribute to my electronics teacher, Mr. Shahidur Rahman, for receiving this award. And thanks to YouTube. Dear friends, to get instant new video notifications, press the subscribe button, then select all. Okay, nothing is displaying on the LCD TV screen, so now let's see how to repair it. First, the power supply of the T-Con board can be measured. Voltage in 12 volts is okay. Then VIN for DC to DC converter circuit. VIN 12 volts okay. HVDD only 0.26 volts, but here it will be 7.5 volts. VGH, there is no voltage here, but there should be 27 volts. VGL is lower than 1 volt, but it will be minus 5 volts. Then, if you need to know the voltage details of these test points, you can visit ornatepixels.com. Then, you can find the voltage details of all the test points here. The link is in the video description. Okay, we checked the VGL voltage is missing here. So now, try to understand why the voltages are missing. We have checked that HVDD, VGH and VGL voltage are not outputting correctly. In this case, we can follow the circuit diagram of TPS65175 3PN and 3NP IC to find the fault. So, let's visit ornatepixels.com once again. Here is the 3PN IC. From pin 6 of this IC, VGH is output. Okay, now look carefully. The 3PN IC is here. Inside this IC, there is only one transistor and two diodes. From pin 4 of this IC, VGL is output. VDD 3.3 volts is input to pin 1 of this IC. That is 3.3 volts is input to the emitter. And the PWM signal is input to the base. As a result, an amplified PWM signal is output from the collector. Now see, actually the AC pulses are input to the cathode of this diode. Consequently, a minus voltage or VGL is output from the anodes of two diodes. So now, let's check this transistor and two diodes with the meter. Base to emitter, okay, then base to collector, okay, you will measure reverse forward all the way, okay. Now let's measure this diode, anode to cathode, nice. So let's measure another diode, cathode to anode. Look carefully, this diode is damaged inside the IC. So now let's connect an external diode. I connected the diode from pin 3 to pin 4 of 3NP IC. So now let's measure the output voltages. VGL minus 5 volts. VGH 23.45 volts. So now let's see what happens on the screen. Dear friends, to get instant new video notifications, press the subscribe button, then select all. Thank you so much.